Number 1. 1981 Plymouth Aero pickup, price $8,500. This truck is a rare find with only 18,000 actual miles on the odometer. It is powered by a 2.0L gasoline engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering a classic, engaging driving experience. Finished in its original beige exterior with a matching beige interior, the truck maintains a cohesive and vintage look. Though it does not have power steering, it runs excellently and is mechanically solid. The vehicle features factory truck mirrors, a functional AM radio, and a working air conditioning system upgraded to R134A. A bed liner is installed for protection, though some surface rust is present in the bed from moisture accumulation beneath the liner. Recent maintenance includes new hoses and belts, ensuring reliable performance. Additionally, the truck comes with over $200 worth of front-end and tuning parts, making it an excellent option for enthusiasts looking to preserve or lightly restore a unique piece of early 1980s pickup history. Number 2. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, with approximately 262,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a black exterior, and a burgundy interior. The truck runs and drives great and is currently used as a daily driver. Despite its age, the vehicle is in impressive condition for a 1995 model. While the paint isn't perfect, the owner has made several upgrades, including all-new smoked-out lights in the front and rear, a brand-new 2-inch cowl hood, a new front bumper and grille, and a new rear roll pan. The truck runs on gasoline and still performs strong on the road. Additionally, it comes with a few extra enhancements ready to be installed, such as an aftermarket steering wheel and a 6-inch drop kit for the rear. Number 3. 1984 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. This long bed is a well-maintained classic with 156,000 miles. Finished in beige inside and out, it's powered by a reliable small-block Chevy engine mated to a smooth-shifting turbo 350 automatic transmission. It features a dress-up kit with custom valve covers, air cleaner, and headers, along with Flowmaster Super 44 mufflers for a deep rumble. Recent updates include a new distributor cap, rotor, plugs, and an adjustable transmission crossmember. It also has an aftermarket tachometer, spray-in bed liner, and a real truck tonneau cover. The stance is lowered 3 inches in the rear, sitting on 20-inch torque thrust wheels. A chrome grille, new headlight housings, and fresh bulbs complete the look. Running on gasoline, this C10 blends vintage appeal with tasteful upgrades, ready for cruising or daily use. Number 4. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. It has only 105,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a reliable 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and 2WD, it runs smoothly with no leaks, rattles, or soft brake pedal. The truck has been thoroughly cared for, with fresh fluids throughout and all new front-end components recently installed. Inside, the blue interior is in clean condition, featuring working heat and air conditioning, as well as fully functional power windows and locks. Everything operates just as it should, a testament to how well this truck has been maintained over the years. Currently, the truck sits on 22-inch wheels, but it also comes with a set of 31-inch tires mounted on original stock rally wheels. The seller has not yet decided which set will go with the truck. The only notable flaw is the typical Southern clear coat fade on the blue exterior, but overall, this Chevy 1500 is in excellent mechanical and cosmetic shape for its age. Number 5. 1985 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,000. This truck is equipped with a 6.2L diesel engine and has approximately 183,000 miles on the odometer. It features a TH400 automatic transmission, which recently failed and will need to be rebuilt. Despite the transmission issue, the truck runs great and starts up reliably. It rides on brand new tires, offering improved road performance and safety. Both the exterior and interior come in a matching tan color, giving the truck a classic, cohesive look. With its diesel powertrain, durable build, and solid foundation, this Chevy 2500 could be a great candidate for restoration or utility use with a bit of transmission work. Number 6. 1971 Ford F-150, price $6,500. This truck is a solid classic pickup with 50,000 miles, finished in tan inside and out. It's powered by a 300 inline-6 engine with a new 2-barrel carburetor, paired to a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission and 2WD drivetrain. The engine has 50,000 miles and runs on gasoline. The truck has been extensively refreshed with all new brakes, a new clutch, radiator and hoses, seals, U-joints, shift linkage bushings, front shocks, and wheel bearings. The rocker panels and cab corners are in great shape. It does need a new driver's side floor pan, but overall, it's a mechanically sound and well-kept classic ready to drive or restore further.
Number 7.
1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500, with approximately 95,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior comes in a clean blue color combination that complements its vintage look. Several essential upgrades have been completed recently, making this truck a dependable daily driver or restoration candidate. It has a brand new gas tank and fuel pump, along with a new distributor, plugs, and wires to ensure strong and consistent ignition. A new thermostat has been installed for proper engine temperature regulation. Both the front and rear rubber brake lines have been replaced, and new brakes have been added to the front end for enhanced stopping power. The transmission was just rebuilt and has only about 200 miles on it since the rebuild, adding significant value and reliability.
Number 8.
1981 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,200, featuring a burgundy exterior paired with a black interior.
It runs on gasoline and comes equipped with an automatic transmission.
Under the hood, it houses a small block 350 engine matched to a brand new 350 automatic transmission and a new driveshaft. The truck has undergone a full interior restoration, including a new dash, seat, door panels, and carpet, with sound matting installed throughout the floor for added comfort and noise reduction.
Remarkably, the body and bed are completely rust-free.
Included with the vehicle is a tote filled with brand new parts, as well as a brand new rear bumper still in the box, ready for installation. This Sierra 1500 offers a solid foundation for a reliable daily driver or a great candidate for further restoration.
Number 9.
1986 Chevrolet C10, price $5,500. This truck is a standout example of a classic American pickup, featuring a short wheelbase, an automatic transmission, and a clean gray exterior that gives it a timeless, rugged look. The truck runs and drives great, making it an excellent choice for a daily driver or weekend cruiser. While it's not a high-performance vehicle, it's built for comfort and style, offering a smooth, enjoyable ride that consistently turns heads on the road. With a solid body and a set of good tires, this C10 is both reliable and visually appealing. It's the kind of truck that draws attention at car meets or just cruising around town.
Number 10. 1989 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500, featuring a matching red exterior and red interior. It's equipped with a low-mileage 454 big block RV engine, with just around 65,000 miles on it, paired with a rebuilt TH350 automatic transmission that was installed prior to use. While the body has approximately 210,000 miles, it remains solid and well-maintained. The truck runs on gasoline and has been enhanced with a 5/7 drop-switch suspension lowering kit, giving it an aggressive stance and improved handling. It also features a 3-inch dual exhaust system that delivers a deep, throaty rumble. Recent upgrades include new brake lines, a new gas tank, and a new water pump, making it not only powerful but also reliable and road-ready.